I got the opportunity to teach two twin girls about base 10 pieces. Here are the girls, Jersey and Taylor. Both of these girls are 8 years old. They're in 3rd grade at Guston Elementary at Jamestown, North Dakota. To tell them apart, Jersey wears pink while Taylor wears purple. Some of their strengths and weaknesses. Jersey is a very hands-on and visual learner, while Taylor learns more by memorization. Both of them add and subtract single-digit numbers quickly, and they show great happiness when they achieve something they worked hard for. Some of their weaknesses is they're both in 3rd grade, but they learn at a kindergarten or 2nd grade level. Sometimes they lack self-confidence and sustained attention. They do not count orderly very well in a Pacific pattern. Here are some of the manipulatives I used: the base 10 blocks and the base 10 work map. Here are us reviewing our ones, tens, and hundreds. Here's Jersey and Taylor working on their worksheets before the activity. They were so proud of their work, they hung it up on the fridge after I left. The activity I made was building a barn with base 10 blocks. I wanted the girls to understand the concept of math, but look at it into their eyes as something they're interested in. Both girls barrel race just like I do, so we built a barn out of base 10 pieces. After we were done building the barn, we took the pieces and counted them and put the number on the top of our paper. Here are the math standards I used for the girls. And my reflection. Some things that went well is each twin knew what base 10 pieces were. They just struggled with the concept of them. We worked on how they can be used in many different things, like making objects they find interest in, like that barn, for example. Some things that didn't go as well? Well, I think I should have met with the girls separately, so I got to know them a little bit more academically. It was easy for them to compete or even get distracted by one another. And the biggest struggle we overcame was understanding the number 21. They got confused on if they needed more tens than ones or more ones than tens. So we stopped what we were doing, reviewed our ones, tens, and hundreds again, so we can remind ourselves of the base 10 pieces and their values.